Good morning students. So today we are going to start 5th class term 2 English subject. So welcome back to the English subject. Now we are going to start our new third lesson, Tenali Raman and the Two Thieves. So before going to the lesson, we will see in the picture here, he is Tenali Raman and his wife and the two thieves. Now we will go to the lesson. One night Tenali Raman was suddenly awakened by some noises. So one night what Tenali Raman awakened because of some noises. He heard some noises. He heard the sound of rustling leaves, but there was no breeze blowing at the time. So here he heard some noises and awakened. He heard the sound of rustling. Rustling means the sound of dry and light things moving, rustling leaves, dry leaves, and there was no breezing blowing at the time. He saw that two thieves had entered his house. So he saw that two thieves entered his house. You can see these two thieves entered the Tenali Raman's house. They were still at the gate. So they were still at the entrance gate. Tenali Raman acted quickly. So what he did, he acted quickly. He thought of a plan. So what he did after seeing the two thieves, Tenali Raman acted quickly and planned something. He woke his wife up and told her that there were thieves at the gate of their house. So what he did after thinking about the plan, he woke his wife up and told her that thieves were at the entrance of the gate and they are trying to enter into the house. They had to do something at once to protect themselves. So Tenali Raman is saying to his wife that we have to protect ourselves, so we have to do something. He asked his wife to agree with whatever he said. She nodded. So what Tenali Raman said, you have to agree whatever I say. So after listening to the Tenali Raman, his wife nodded his head. Tenali Raman waited for the thieves to come near the window. So what he planned first, he waited the thieves to come near the window. Then he said loudly to his wife, I am relieved that all the gold coins the emperor has given us are safe in a trunk at the bottom of the well in the garden. So what he planned in the starting, when the thieves are near the gate, Tenali Raman waited to come near to the window. Here you can see here you can see the thieves are near the window. And what Tenali Raman said to his wife loudly, I am relieved. Relieved means not worried. I am not worried anything because the gold coins the emperor has given to us is safe in the trunk at the bottom of the well in the garden. No one in this world will be able to guess where we have hidden our treasure. So again he is saying to listen the thieves. He is saying that no one in this world will be able to guess where we have hidden our treasure. Now we can sleep peacefully, Tenali Raman said. His wife said, yes, you came up with a brilliant idea. Our treasure is indeed safe in our well. Indeed means surely safe in our well. His wife also agreed with Tenali Raman. So I hope you have understood the beginning of the story. Remaining we will continue in next class. Today your homework is you have to write these new words in your book. Thank you.